Jem tends to put her paws up on me more, but she's offering alternative behaviors. And I'm not even asking for it. Good. Reward for being where she needs to be. Drop. Nice. This came through little pieces of practice in the house throughout the day. No long formal sessions, just a couple minutes each. Jem, touch. You want to go around? Nice. And he sat. He was hanging over the playpen fence. And he went down, and I'm going to reward him. Good. Anytime. So Jimmy loves this. Good. Off. Good. Up. Nice. Off. Good. A couple times like that all day is all that's needed. Get it. Jimmy? Good. Get it. Jem, come. Get it. Jem, come. Good. Get it. Jem, come. Good. He came down off the fence. He sat. Good. Good. He dropped. He'll get a reward. I'll be adding duration. Good. Nice. Spin. Good girl. Let's twirl the other direction. Good. Go around. Good. Leash. So you want to break